this video, I would be unboxing a garment and facial steamer, give its review and compare it with an ordinary steamer. In the box, you get the machine and some accessories for it. A high and a low power switch is given to control the amount of steam. The brush is used when you are steaming the clothes. A small container is provided with the machine to pour water in it. They have provided a good quality wire. It heats the water using heating coil, so you can use distilled or filtered water. Using such water prolongs its life. You can also use the tap water, but it reduces the machine's life. The only drawback of this machine is that the maximum capacity of water it can hold is much lesser than the other one, so you would need to fill water frequently. The ordinary steamer only works with tap water because it is using electrodes to boil the water. However, you can use distilled water also, but you would need to add a pinch of common salt so that it conducts electricity and starts boiling water.